So we are at the Hotel Rio Plaza, Manhattan in New York. You can kind of see there's Times Square down there. But what got me is in New York, they pick up garbage every day, and they pick up garbage every day because the garbage is piled out in front. It's not like in Chicago where we have alleys and receptacles that we roll out to the corner or the curb every once a week.
Playing with some kind of, that's how Jane Byrne won, on some kind of new salt formula.
That is it.
Oh no.
Let's see.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, we'll make it from here. Oh, that's a nice shot.
Okay, we're at the ship and we're walking outside to get back on the ship. It's 20 degrees out here. I took my coat off because we were inside, and so Jonathan, my coat is on his bag, and I put my hat on. Then let's see if the tons of people inside. But so far, this embarkation, a little bit of peace, except for standing outside in the cold with icicles. Let's see. Icicles. We're going to our muster now. Say, okay, we'll be back. We'll be back. Now my husband can slow down. I shouldn't have said that out loud. Hey Rick, how you doing?
Right, good. I'm number one.
So now we're looking for the area where we can sign up for the behind the scenes tour. And then we're gonna find a bar. Well, behind the scenes, a wine tasting. I like painting those pictures. So we'll see. This is the Norwegian Getaway Club Suite, room 13828, the bathroom. Because this is the first room you see when you come in. So let me put this here. Here's the toilet. It's a towel rack. You'll notice it's a double trough sink. So, I just noticed this. It doesn't have the little shelves on the side, but it has an extra wide thingy shelf, but it's got, here's a door here with the garbage can and plenty of space to hold stuff. A drawer in the middle to hold things. Oh, with a soft close. And another shelving area on the side. So that will work work well for two people. But the piece of resistance in this bathroom is the shower. As you can see, it is nice and big. And inside the shower, you have the shower head. You have your regular, I think that's shampoo and body wash. You have the two things to hold your soap. It doesn't have a footrest, but it has the body jets here, here, and here for your shower pleasure. And also, I'm not stepping in the shower with my shoes on because we just came in from outside. I got my winter boots on. You have the string to go across to hold your wet clothes. So this is a very nice size shower. I have my hand here and my hand stretched out on the other side. So, whoops. As you can see, it's wide enough to the shower to stretch out, and then still the toilet is right here. Whoops, the toilet is right against this wall, kind of cat-a-corner. So this bathroom is at least my arm's length, whatever that is, I don't know. It's a nice bathroom. The one question I always have though is, why are the bathrooms high? Why can't the bathrooms be the same floor on the floor like the room? Emergency room information. Here's the mirror. You can see what you look like before you leave. The bed area. Nothing special, but you know, nice size bed. In the club suite, they give you 2 bottles of water. This is the Freestyle Daily. Tells you what's happening for the day. And I guess the thing that makes this room special is the space between the bed and the closet. So I'm sitting on the bed and I can stretch my foot out from sitting on the bed and touch the closet. Most of the time you might have a foot. This looks like maybe a good 3 feet between the closet and the bed. And this is just the one closet, so we'll have to split it because the other side of the closet are shelves. But we use packing cubes, so that's not that big of a deal. There's a light here. I hit this light here, what comes on? Okay. Not bad. What's this light control? A nice picture of a shell. This ship is the Getaway. So for storage, we sometimes keep things in here. Here's one door area with 3 shelves for things. Soft close. Here's another door area. It's kind of a corner shelving area. You can get a few more things in there. And this area right here is where the refrigerator, or as some people have said, the cooler, and we loaded up on water before we came to the ship. And you'll see this bottle of sparkling wine. We get that for being in the club suite. So we'll pop that later. This is a stool, and I think, let's see, whoa, yeah. You can use this top as it's a little dusty. I'll wipe it off once our bags come. You can use the top maybe for a tray, and then the other top comes off underneath here. You see right here, to put, it can be used as storage. Right now, we're storing bottles of water. You have the sofa, which maybe, I don't know, can be used for someone to sleep on. But there's only 2 of us. And it also has, which I love, so there's really, except for, good golly, I can't pull it open. I can't pull it open, JT. This one here is used to store extra bedding, I guess, for the beds. And then the other one will be used to store one or both of our extra things that don't fit in the closet. So for the most part, the club suite for the Norwegian Getaway, room 13828, is a very nice room. It's very sunny today. I'm high-ending all of my words. You can't see me because of the sun. So the club suite, room 13828 on the Norwegian Getaway. Okay, so we pulled off and we were not aware. Oh, and I didn't show you, this is one of those skinny balconies. It's cold. I don't know if you can see me. I have my winter coat on. Temperature is like 20 degrees. And they need to repeat this place. Oh my God, I hope they do. This looks terrible. Lord have mercy. Were they peeling it and they're gonna come and paint it later? We're in the, I'm in the buffet, and we're hoping that tomorrow will be warmer than today. We just walked from the front to the back past the pool area, and of course nobody's there because I think the temperature is like 20 degrees. It's cold. I can't touch my face, but it's cold. So I didn't pull the phone out. JT was like, it'd be really cool to see us walking through here, running through here in the cold. That means I don't have on gloves. And I have to take the phone in my hand with no gloves on. No thank you. Well, it's January. And again, this is Jonathan and my 33rd. Well, not again. It's not our 33rd anniversary again. But it's our anniversary. After I did my Christmas decorations, something said, hey, maybe the dollar store has something for Valentine's Day, which I don't normally celebrate, I'll be honest. But I bought everything with hearts that didn't have Happy Valentine's Day on it. This boat's rocking. See, I didn't touch it. Let's go back a little bit. And I really should be in the bed. Jonathan's having a cigar. We have a behind the scenes tour tomorrow at 8:30. I'm not sure what time it is now. Oh, you know what? Somebody said my hair looked pretty long. That's not, I guess. I gotta do something about this color. I'll probably wear it in a ponytail tomorrow. And the time goes back an hour tonight. I should have brought some lights to put on there. That would have been sweet. But I didn't. Happy anniversary, babe. Look both ways before crossing the street. Stay to your right.